So over here you can see that I'm in Blender in video editing mode. Now let's see how we can cut and move videos inside of this interface. So for that, I'm just going to go around and bring in this footage over here on my timeline, and you can see that this is my footage which actually stayed here on my cursor area. If I want to move this out, I can press Z on my keyboard, so my move tool is active, so you can simply go around, move your mouse around wherever you want, and then place it there just like that. So if I were to play this, you'll play the audio as well. So I'm just going to go around, select the audio and hit delete key so that I don't have the audio, I just have the video to work with. If I were to play it, then you can see that I have a video right here. So let's say I want to split out the video. Let's say I just want the first portion of the video right here. Then what I can do is I can split this out. So if I were to go to strip right here, you can see that split is an option. So once you click on split, the two video clips are splitted up. So you can see that this is what I have, and there's no video here, and there's another video right here. The shortcut key for this is K. So let's say when the candle appears right around over here, I want to split it out. So let's say right around in this section, I'm going to press K right here, and you can see that this is a split right here. So this is a video clip, and this is another candle video clip right here. Similarly, I'm going to go around right here onto, let's say for example, right around this moment where the scene actually changes out right here. So to split it, I'm going to select it, press K, and what happens is that I have this around right here. So this is what you have. So this is the clip right here, then you have this clip right here, this clip, and now you can rearrange it out however you want. So you got this, as you can see, you see the candle right here, then you see the San Francisco city again, you see the candle again, and now you see the clouds over here just like this. And that is how you can rearrange out the video clips just like that to get the video clip, the footage you want. And that is how you can cut and move videos inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.